I just find a washer and a dryer, and I just pick up a hot water tank. So a washer and a dryer, or two washer, I don't know what is what, and a hot water tank. So I gotta go there. Just like that, I put it inside, hand to the next. So everything, I'm driving to work and I'm picking up where I'm going. So this is what we find so far. Please subscribe and like. There's another hot water tank I find. Let's go. Let's get in the truck. Now I secure it in the... Let's put this in the truck. Back in the days I never picked these up, but I got space now for everything, so I put it in the truck. So it's inside this truck. Let's go get another one. Good morning YouTube. This is what's going on. So when I was coming home last night, oh my god, it was an amazing night. Look at that. I almost full the truck last night coming home, so I didn't get this on the camera. I have a small fridge here, I got a stove, I got like 3 hot water tank, what, another fridge here. So you're gonna see me when I'm taking it out now. I'm going to the scrapyard. I have a job to go do now. I gotta move a table for someone, so I gotta empty my truck, so I get back to you guys. Thank you guys for supporting me. For this load I make $201.50. So this is what we're working now. We're going on the road, see what we can pick up off the street. We don't know where we're going, but catch me on the road. Please like, comment, share, please. Let's go YouTube. First find. So everything you drop. So let's put these things in the truck. This is our first find of the day. They take the good stuff, you know, a lot of good stuff leave already. They take the pump, everything, but I take it. It's a start. It's a start. Last one. Alright, I set it up and get back to you guys. That beauty way did on me. Jesus. Let's go in the beast.
Tell me when you press upload.
Let's put it in quick and fast and go to the next. It's a heavy one. Let's go to the next. More here. Look like it's working good. Maybe I take this one home. Okay, look okay to me. My one at my house. Look like it's working okay. So put that in there. On to the next. We got a computer there, so we gotta take it up, put it in the truck. They all strip it out already. It's nothing much there, but we still take it. That's what we're here for. Metal. So it's here. We're gonna take it, put it in the truck. I gotta set up the truck. So we got 1, Two heater. 4. 4 heater. 5. I take it. I'm not digging through this right now. Pliers to this. This is my third time picking up stuff here. They always take off something, but no problem. Put it in my truck. Oh my god, look at that car. Still got a lot of weight. So put it in my truck. On to the next. Welcome back YouTube. I'm going to the scrapyard, but I see these ones, so you know what, we're gonna take it up, put it in the truck. I gotta go into the truck, that's what I gotta do. But let's put this in first. Oh, this one feel like you have a little water in it. Oh, this feels a little bit heavy. So let's put it here. Let's put it here. Let's go to the scrapyard after. These are heavy, you know. It got water in it a little bit, so you know what, I'm gonna move the truck. It's on the sidewalk there. Hold on, get back to you guys. Ooh. Alright, on to the next. Onto this. Alright, let's take these things off. Not wasting nothing today. Try to get all of our money. Welcome back YouTube, sorry about that. Thank you guys for liking, supporting me. Things are always in my way. Burst this thing. It's gotta be me. So for everything I just sold with the copper and the metal, I make $418. I have the copper now for maybe 3-4 days, so I just sell it today. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing.